Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna know what's the use of count and CountA formula in Excel. So you can see we have a list out here. So there are students and they have the marks on that particular name. So we'll just see what's the difference between the count and CountA formula and how to use them. So count basically, as the name suggests, it counts the particular values present in a particular list. So we'll just put it here as count, and you just need to select the list in which you want to know how many values are present. So when you press enter, you get the 6 values out here. And let's just say what does the count A says. When you put in here, just select the whole cell, the list, close the bracket and put it. Now you can see a difference between both the formulas. So what does the count formula does is it has just sent us the values which has the numbers in that one. So the cells which has number are like 4 cells, 5th and the 6th one. So count formula is basically used if you have the particular it only counts the values which has numbers in that one. It doesn't take the logical value, or it doesn't take the text, or it doesn't take the error formula as well. So when we put in here count A, you can see it has given us the list of 9, and that's all that all the students were supposed to give the exam on that particular day. So that's why the count A formula is basically used if you want to know for the numbers, text and error value as well. So I'll show you, even you can use for the error value. If any of this list or a particular cell has an error value, it will count as well. Let's just create a error value cell here. Now this one is an error value cell, right? So if I change this array here, we have, let's just put 14. Let's say if it changes, it remains the same. You can see it has only counted the values which has the numbers in that one. Now if we change this to here, and you can put it 14, you can see it has automatically changed. So the count A checks everything, like the text, the numbers and even the error values cells present in a particular list as well. So this is the basic difference between count A and CountA formula. Thank you guys for watching it.